Hi guys, it's me again. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I'm not making one of my videos. It's on my YouTube channel, but it's sponsored too. Hey, what's your YouTube channel's name again?
Aventures.
And he does a whole bunch of adventures. He just started like 3 days ago, and he hasn't had time to make another one because his phone been acting weird. Hopefully we can get it fixed by tomorrow so we can make another video for you guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe to his and mine channel. Actually guys, I actually want to tell you something. I forgot to tell you my squad. You guys already know the drill. And so guys, yeah, so I forgot to introduce the squad. Liam, we actually are best friends since he was born. And
True guys believer.
there's Sheba. You're in the way. Okay guys, that's Sheba. There's two other dogs. Hank and Tank. Guys, look. Guys, look at the blue sky. Seriously, blue. We actually never had a blue sky before.
Like that blue.
Yeah. And like that's clouds. Guys, look. See up there? And then like turn over there. It's blue. Those are blue clouds. Guys, comment below if you ever had blue clouds before or if this is like rare. Because this actually never happened in the U.S. since I was alive.
Yeah, we've never had this.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, comment below. So guys, you need to subscribe if you want us to like do a video about something. So yeah. Like and subscribe to my channel and his channel and you have to be part.
Liar.
Trenton! Sorry guys, he's not part of this squad. Neither of squads because he's mean. Sometimes he is. And so, yeah, you need to like and subscribe to his and my channel. His and my channel to make a video. And you just have to comment down below. And so, guys, let's get moving.
Please look at my video, Lamb Adventures. Please, guys. It'll mean a lot if we could get up to 100 likes and subscribe to my channel. And see you later.
Hours later. Hi guys. Sorry we took so long to come back. It was like 3 hours later. And so we are gonna make another video for you guys. I meant not another video. This is technically part 2 of the first one. That's called it's called Forest Night. We're gonna go up there, but it's also turning night.
It's like 9 o'clock right now, in the morning. I mean, in the night.
He actually got that wrong. It is 8:12 at night, and so Axie, hey Axie, there's one of our team squad members. She's part of mine too.
Hi everybody. So we was getting up a tree. We was down the shed. We would be taking a wide, a chitin.
Guys, he's talking about that tree, which is also, it is also sponsored to Lamb Adventures. And so, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, we're walking up there now. Come on, Lamb. They don't want to move for some reason. They're lazy. Oh, what?
They're lazy.
Hey, actually, you want to hold the camera? Sure. Face it there. Okay, and you can talk.
Hi, everybody. This is my hand. Hi, everybody. This is my hand along. Because this is a ground. This is a tree.
Okay, guys, actually had the camera. So, guys, apparently this tiny forest is supposed to be haunted, like dead serious, like haunted. It's supposed to be, you should see like red eyes. And yeah, I don't even know why Liam's here. He lives in creepy stuff. Like that shed over there, that was his first YouTube video. That is haunted. And so is this. I don't know why Liam lives here. So guys, hey Liam, come on. We're gonna go. So yeah, guys, we'll see when Liam gets here. Okay, guys, Liam's here now. Help! Did you guys hear that? We didn't walk into the haunted forest yet. Guys, what was that? I think we should go more deep in. Guys, soon
Guys,
help!
guys, help!
Guys, what was that?
Did you guys hear that?
What was that scream?
We gotta go. We gotta go. Nope.
Okay, guys, part 2. We just gotta run for our lives. Okay, guys, we could be haunted. Part 2 later. Bye.